How to send location to WhatsApp. You can send a location on WhatsApp for Android either on a group of persons or to a specific person. Let's see how you can send a location on WhatsApp to somebody. Tap on the person chat. If you did not start a conversation with that person, you could start the chat with the message button from the bottom. You have here a button on the bottom. If you wish to send a location, tap it. Tap on location. Tap here, continue. Now tap allow. You can select share live location or a location from the list. You can select how much time you wish to share your location. After you have done this, tap on the send button. Now persons will see your current location. If the person has found you, you can also tap on the stop sharing to stop the sharing of the location. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.